Hi everyone. This is my dog Bella. Anyway, I thought I'd put her on my channel here. Hi Bella. What you doing? Well, anyway, she wants me to sit down, so I will let her on my lap or whatever, but I don't want to do that. So this is a craft room that both my husband and I share. So I'll just kind of back up a little bit. Like, this is my desk and mess over here. And then I have more mess over here. Oh, yay. And anyway, so, anyway, I just wanted to say that I plan on doing some upcoming videos. Alrighty, so what I want to do on those videos is I want to declutter. I need to reorganize a lot of my crafting things. I mean, I have just got so many things. My husband got this for me, this little roll around thing, like last Christmas, and it's been really nice, but hello, I think I need to like reorganize things. And then I have this. This was supposed to serve the purpose of holding things, and as you can see, it's well overloaded, don't you think? And then I just recently got myself a new sewing machine. My other one I hadn't used in, I don't even know how long it had been, but this one's called an Eversewn. Now, I'm not a really big sewing type of person. I just like to do like tidbits and just very small projects. That's what I like to do. But anyway, what I wanted to say was, and I don't know if I mentioned it already, but I want to start doing videos where I bring you along with me and you're helping me to kind of declutter. And I want to organize my crafty things, because let me tell you something, I have a whole lot that I need to do. And I just wanted to share that with you. I'm sorry it's been so long, but I think I'll be back. Just give me some time to kind of get organized with getting my video up and ready and that kind of thing. I've never put myself on video. I've only had my hands on video, but you know, that could all change. I'm kind of shy sometimes about showing myself on video, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, so I just wanted to tell you about that, and you're more than welcome to check out my other videos then. I look forward to doing them. I'm really super excited, and I might even throw in some videos where I'm doing cooking segments, if you guys like doing that kind of thing. I certainly, oh my gosh, I've just got stuff everywhere. Oh my goodness, yes, lots of yarn. Yeah, you see how I need to organize here. I haven't touched a lot of this stuff, and you know, and I really need to check these things out so I can really find out where I put like my crochet hooks. I've just got them here and there and everywhere. Alrighty, well, I hope to see you in my upcoming videos, and welcome back to my channel, and happy 2025. And also, I just wanted to make mention here that our heart really goes out to the people that have suffered great losses out in those areas where they've had horrible fires. Our hearts go out to you. Our prayers are with everyone. And I'm just so sorry that's happened. Anyway, so I will let you all go, but I just want to say that I'm looking forward to doing this other thing with you. We might do some other crafts, I don't know. I just need to be motivated, and I thought that in order for me to be motivated a little bit more, it would be nice to bring you all along with me then. Okay? Alrighty then, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now. Thanks a lot. And here's a shot of my dog. Yep, there's Bella. She's saying, Mom, sit down so I can get on your lap. Alrighty, see you later.